Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to turn a simple spreadsheet into hundreds of beautifully formatted invoices on autopilot using Zapier and BatchExport. Let's dive in. Before we build this from scratch, here's a quick look at the exact 6-step workflow we are setting up today. First, we will set up a trigger to catch any new CSV data that gets dropped into a Google Drive folder. Second, we'll extract the raw text from that file, and then use a simple code snippet to format it perfectly for our system. Next, we'll grab our master invoice template and ensure it's exported as a standard Word document. Finally, we will pass all of that over to the BatchExport engine to instantly generate our files and automatically save the completed zip folder right back into our Google Drive. It sounds like a lot, but I will walk you through every single click. Ready? Let's get started with step 1. In your Zapier dashboard, click the orange plus Create button and select Zaps. Our goal is to trigger this workflow whenever a new CSV file of invoice data is uploaded to our system. For step 1, select Google Drive as the app and choose New File in Folder as the event. Point this to the specific folder where your raw CSV data will be dropped. Step 2 is reading that data. Add the Files by Zapier app and select the text from File action. Map the file field to the file we just caught in step 1. Set file type to text, fail on conversion error to false, and encoding to UTF-8. Because BatchExport uses a high-performance JSON engine, we need to convert our CSV text. For step 3, choose Code by Zapier and select Run JavaScript. Under Input Data, type CSV text on the left and map the text output from step 2 on the right. In the code box, simply paste our provided CSV to JSON snippet. This script safely splits your data, handles commas perfectly, and outputs a clean JSON payload. You can find this snippet in our documentation. Step 4. The template. BatchExport requires a standard Word document to act as your master template. If your current template is a Google Sheet, simply add a Google Drive export file step. Select your master sheet and set the export format to Microsoft Word .docx. Now for the star of the show. Before we add step 5, head over to batchexport.com/settings/developer to create your free API key. Once you have your key, click our Zapier invitation link to unlock the app. Back in Zapier, add BatchExport and choose Generate Documents. Time to map our data. For the template URL, select the exported file from step 4. For data, select the JSON payload we created in step 3. For the base file name, you can get creative. I'll map the title of our original CSV file and add _generated documents to the end. BatchExport will process the entire batch in seconds and return a neat zip file. Finally, step 6. Add a Google Drive. Upload file action to save your finished zip folder safely back into the cloud so your team can access it. And that's it. One quick pro tip before you go. If you ever run a test and see a too many requests error on the BatchExport step, don't panic. This simply means your account has run out of generation credits for the billing cycle. Just hop into your dashboard to upgrade your plan. Happy automating, and thanks for using BatchExport.